Wagwan, it's Amaziyah the Great. You know me just right that one here. I'm going to listen very keenly and share this, make the world see and hear this. Last September when I looked, it was the passing of reggae legend Toots. A few weeks ago, Daddy Uri passed, R.I.P., another great legend, embedded in our hearts. Now yesterday after I got the news, reggae icon Bunny Wailer's passed, I'm still in an unhappy mood. When we look overseas, even Kobe gone, the legends are leaving us, our really are gone. Bob Marley gone in Silicon, Dennis Brown. Honestly, I still wish you were still around. Cause some of them treat the business like a circus, too much clowns. Globally, loved ones are grieving, feeling hurt. Even while I'm reading, I'm speaking, some weeping. The legends are leaving earth. Powerful black men were put to death. Call it whatever you want. This is a total mess. Go on. If you want, feel free and check. I'm not cold, I speak bold until my last breath. Chadwick Boseman gone too soon. I'm still saying Wakanda forever. Yeah, together we are strong, my people. You know, realize so we are stronger together. Babylon the one for rise them spread lies and act like them clever. Some say Black Life Matters. Well, make me see if this are gonna get better. But how will it be better if we're divided and ignorant? Distraction, confusion, no progression with ignorance. You're too busy on TikTok watching Jolly that comedy joke. I see you twerking on IG and not paying attention to the post that I wrote. We are powerful together. All we need is support, increase in knowledge, increase in vocabulary. For life is no joke. Be careful of the food you consume because it's poisonous stuff in what they promote. Who created all these diseases and viruses, claiming there's no antidote? Great legends are gone, and I'm feeling provoked. This is no joke. My code will make you stay woke. Are the legends really leaving us, or are they being killed? I'm somewhat bewildered. It's just a question I'm asking still. As my mind navigates, it invade my thoughts. Why? Evil men reign longer, and the goods one die early. This concerned me, and I won't lie. You see, Marcus Garvey was Jamaica's first national hero and one of the world's greatest men. Uniting black people for Africa was his greatest plan. News story reveal he met his demise after suffering a stroke. I think them took him out. Seriously? Yeah, this is no joke. You see, it's obvious them want to get rid of every powerful black man. I will not sit and be silent. My spoken word explode like bombs. I wish someone would confess about the death of Dr. Sebi, the man who actually cured many diseases, including AIDS. I don't think so I'm crazy. February 21st, 1965, Malcolm X assassinated. April 4th, 68 in the States, Martin Luther King Jr. assassinated. Tupac and Biggie and Nipsey Hussle murdered. And I think that is coincidence. Once you have power with the people, them delete you, and that's evident. The legends are leaving us, only God knows why. Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, I still rate them till the day that I die. Aaliyah was so young when she lost her life in that plane crash. The whole world cried. Gandhi, he too was assassinated. I'm still wondering why. I could not complete the list of legends without mentioning King Selassie. Rest in peace, all your great legends. Work well done. Our ancestors fought long and hard for us to get freedom. Educate yourselves. I will not sit and be silent when I'm mute nor dumb. Our journey continues like the rise of the sun. Tell them precisely. It's Amaziyah the Great. And make no mistake. Check out my show, Tell Them Precisely, on YouTube. You don't know it's every Sunday at 5 p.m. YouTube.com, Great Amaziyah. This Sunday, check it out. And the rest of Sundays them to come, check it out. Tell Them Precisely. Find it on YouTube. Great Way or the Gateway. Check out my clothing collection online. Amaziyah the Great collection. Don't know my music and my poetry. They are on Spotify, Amazon, Deezer, iTunes, all leading digital media platform. I don't know, it's Amaziyah the Great, and the one I named The Legends Leaving Us. It's a poem I just wrote, so check it out. Tell me what you think about it. I should be wanting to write a book soon because a lot of people be asking me when will the book come out. Been doing poetry over a number of years, ever since high school days. I've been doing music also. A bag of things going. You get me, I say, pit the band. I'm my family, man. I got to stay focused on my kids and, be the best that I can possibly be. You get me, I say. To them, me are the greatest dad in the world. Them not God of dad. But at the end of the day, I strongly believe, we should try maintain us as a family, support us as a people. The family is very important because Babylon a try divide the black man. Babylon a try poison the women their mind. And right now it's hard to say a lot of women now today is like man of them enemy. And can't blame them either in a sense because some so-called men be disrespecting and ill-treating our women. Yesterday was International Women's Day. It's a big up to all women across the universe. Enough love goes out from Amaziyah the Great. You don't know, you are special, you're a queen, you're empress. And value on yourself because self-value is one of the greatest things. Some of you lay on a life too low and allow some man to violate and disrespect you. Don't stay in a relationship where it's abusive and it's hurting, emotional stress, heartbroke, and a bag of things where you got through and you still stay, so you maintain that, say, yo, you don't want your life to look away. Make it look away. Move if you have to move. Do not stay in no relationship that's toxic. I talk to the man and the woman then. It don't make no sense I go stay in one relationship where all you have face and experiences abuse, disrespect and hurt and violation. You get what I say? If it not work for you, move on. Better than the fear Almighty John are gonna make you do that and fade away and crumble and die. You get me? So now I go through the struggles, ladies. And some of them idiot walk and a kill and a rape and a rob and them things they must stop, Them things they get me grieve. I want take time, bout him come a beat, man, him a move like fool. Him no know for treat, man, me not give him no respect. Because time no rate, man, the boy time for go. Cause him not appreciate, man, I want take time. Look how she did sweet star, stop ill treat her. Me look in her face, me see more than 3 scar. She beg on a pleat star, and you still a beat her. If you no thing at all, you want kick out her teeth star. You not no polite, her can choose you not fight back. You never stop then until you get her eye black of mash if you try chop. Look, she sight that. Either thing you go on with time, man, I like that. What take time, bout him come a beat, man, him a move like, yo, what's Amaziyah the Great? Check me out. Tell them precisely. This Sunday.